Welcome to the Standard 4 students. Welcome to all of you. Chapter 18. Chapter 18. Caring for public property. Caring for public property. Page 136. Page 136. Things that use in our daily life and belong to the individuals called private property. Belong to the any individual called as the private property. Things belong to the people or the public. People, things, the things belong to the people or the public called public property, like house, utensils, car. We bought many things. We bought many things from our personal income, and these are called personal property. So, private property, public property, personal property. Private property is the land, the institution, and the public property is the house, utensils. Okay, the private property is the house, the utensils, and personal property. Then public properties are maintained by the public works department. Public property will be maintained by the public works department. That is called PWD. Road. Okay, that is the parks. Okay, and the public properties are maintained by the public and archaeological survey of India. It is maintained by the PWD and archaeological survey of the India. We should not damage the public property because it is meant for all of us to use. It is meant for the all of us to use. So we should not damage the public property. We must not damage or deface any part of the monument or heritage buildings. We should not pluck flowers or damage from the plants of the park, because it belongs to the public property. Railway platforms, bus stands should be kept clean and spick and span. We should do our best to prevent the theft of electricity. If a person damages books and others suffers, that if a person damages the books, others suffers in the library, and we should take care of them because it belongs to all. If we should take pride in keeping our town, city, institution clean. It is a pride to us if we should keep them clean. And if we learn to follow rules of law to save public property in schools, we will grow up to be a law-binding. Will be called as the law-binding and law-binding citizens, and we should be obedient to the laws because we should obedient to the laws. Public properties are national assets. It is the national assets, not belong to me or you. It is the national assets. These are meant for public purpose. We should learn to care what belongs to every one of us, and we have to pay more taxes to repair or replace the same. Public properties are created by the government for the use of the public. The monuments and historical buildings. The monuments and historical buildings helps us to understand our past. It helps to understand our past. They are part of the Indian heritage. These are maintained and protected by the public money. Likewise, we should take care of our school properties. We should take care of our school properties and keeping it clean. The walls of the classroom should be kept clean and tidy. We should not throw things here and there in the classrooms or the school playground. Okay, and we should be using sports equipment carefully. It belongs to all the children, not for you or one children. It belongs to all children. And we should turn off water taps after the use. After the use, turn off the water tap. We should put the damaged papers in the dustbin. These are the things we should care because it is a public property. So it is caring for the public property. The lesson is the caring for the public property. How to protect the public property? Public properties are parks, roads, bridges, government buildings. Okay, it belongs to it is repaired by the Archaeological Survey of India or Public Works Department, PW. Okay, so you should care for the public property. Okay, thank you all of you. So 136 page to 139. Read it properly, and all the question answer has gone for in the PDF. So all of you take care of the writing in the assignment copy and send it on the every Friday. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.